Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how much YouTube paid us in the month of May and June. So I'll be showing you guys the revenue report on this YouTube channel. So this is the biggest YouTube channel we have, and so let's dive in. So let's look at the numbers. So in the last 28 days, this YouTube channel got 500,000 views, and it did $12,074 on total. So this is the revenue YouTube paid us for the amount of views we got. So let's also look at how much subscribers we got. So we got 4.5k subscribers in this last 28 days, and if I change that back to May, so on May we did 16,000 US dollars. We got 600,000 views on total. So this is the total numbers, guys. So this is the exact amount of money YouTube paid us for each month. So let me go back to June. So let me first refresh the screen to make sure that these numbers are not some fake numbers. So let me refresh it again, so you can see the screen, right? So I just refreshed it, and the numbers are same. This is the last 28 days, guys. So let's also jump in and let's also look at where we're getting our views from, and I'll also show you a couple more analytical report on this YouTube channel. So let me show you guys the reach section, because I never seen anyone showing this section, because it will reveal most of their data. So you can see in the last 28 days we got 5 million impression, and the CTR we aim for is 7+, and we got 6.6 in the last 28 days, and 500,000 views, and the unique views is around 232,000. So you can see this, right? So mostly YouTube recommend our content. We don't try to promote it on any advertisements or promotions or influencer shoutouts. So pretty much everything is organic. So you can see, right, 73% of the views coming from YouTube recommending our content. Like YouTube recommend our content on homepage or else on suggested videos. So this is where the major views comes from. So you can see the numbers, right? So almost 54% of the views came from browse feature. So browse feature means mostly YouTube will recommend new videos on the home page of YouTube. So if you go to youtube.com, then it will show a couple of videos, right? So mostly those videos are triggered by your history on what type of videos you watched. So it will recommend you similar type of videos on your homepage. So you need to have really good numbers to hit this to get traffic from browse feature, because when you reach when you have like very high CTR on a browse feature, so let's say you have anything above 7 is very good, then YouTube will start recommending your videos on a browse feature. Or else you need to have at least average view duration is around 50+, like I mean average percentage viewed should be more than 50 or 55+. Or else if you have 80 or 70 or 80, then those numbers are really good. Then YouTube will start promoting your content on homepage and on suggested videos. Mostly on this channel we got most of the views from browse feature, not from suggested videos. So you can see the screen, right? So we just got like 15% of the views from suggested videos, and most of the views came from browse feature. And search, we don't rely on search. So you can see the screen, we just got like 7.3%. so you don't have to do SEO a lot on YouTube like this, on a channel like this. So we don't rely on search. We mostly rely on browse feature and suggested videos. So let's look at the analytical report on each video. So you can see the screen, right? So the first video got us like 86,000 views. The second one got like 40,000 views, 39,000, 32,000 views. So let's see how much they paid us. So this is the amount of money YouTube paid us for 86,000 views in the last 28 days. So this is not just like any viral type content where you make money for a day and that's it. It won't make any revenue after that. So this is like evergreen type content where these YouTube channels will keep on generating your revenue every single day, and each videos will make you like $100 or $200 every single day consistently, because we don't rely on any viral niche. We rely on where people watch these type of videos every single day consistently. And this YouTube channel have around like 70 to 80,000 subscribers. So you will have a consistent viewers. So you can see, right, this first video got us like $1,300 in the last 28 days. So $700, $900, 864, 704, 608. So these videos will keep on generating us revenue every single day for even for like for next 2-3 years. So if I change this to lifetime, so you'll see you can see, right? So this one video got us around like $18,000 on total, just one video, guys. So you can see, right, $15,000, $9,000, $6,000, $5,000. On total, we did around like $200,000 on this YouTube channel. So we have multiple YouTube channels. We're going to start more, and we're also going to scale this. So those are the numbers we did in the last 28 days and the last 365 days. So if you guys are interested in joining my one-on-one mentorship program, do send me a message on Facebook and I'll send you the details on how you can join the training. So the training will be for a month, and I'll show you guys how to run a YouTube channel like this. So you will also get an idea on how to kickstart your channel, and I'll also show you a couple of niches you can start working on, because the niches we work on will have like high CPM, where for every 1,000 views you're going to get paid around like $30-40. So on YouTube you won't get paid like $30-40. On normal YouTube channels like comedy channels or else some news channels, they only pay you like $1 to $3. So the channels we work on, we get paid around like $30+ for every 1,000 views. So if you guys are interested, do send me a message, and it's not a free training, it's a paid training where I show you guys how to do it, and we will be having weekly calls. So you will get a lot of support from me and my team. So pretty much that's it, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Do leave a like and a comment on this YouTube video, because it will help me really grow this YouTube channel. And pretty much that's it, guys. Thanks for watching the video, and see you guys in the next video.